Mastering true or false questions. Tips and techniques. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to focus on a specific test format that you'll often encounter when learning English or in any other educational setting. True or false questions. We will discuss strategies to help you get better at answering these types of questions and ultimately succeed in your tests. First things first, let's understand what a true or false question is. These questions require you to decide whether a given statement is true or false based on your knowledge of the subject. They might seem easy, but the simplicity can sometimes make them tricky. So, it's crucial to know the right strategies to tackle them effectively. It's crucial to read the statement carefully. Pay special attention to qualifiers like all, none, always, and never. Statements that use such words are often, but not always, false, as they suggest an extreme condition. On the other hand, qualifiers like usually, often, and generally tend to make the statement more likely to be true. Before marking your answer, try to break down the statement into smaller parts. If any part of the statement is false, then the entire statement is false. So, scrutinize each part of the statement carefully. Statements with double negatives can be confusing. A statement like, "It is not uncommon for it to rain in Seattle," actually means it often rains in Seattle. So, make sure to simplify the statement in your mind before deciding if it's true or false. Leverage what you already know about the subject matter to answer the question. If you can relate the statement to something you've learned, you'll find it much easier to determine whether it's true or false. If you really don't know the answer, it's generally a good idea to make an educated guess rather than leaving it blank, unless you're penalized for guessing. Try to rule out the most unlikely options and take your best shot. If time allows, go back and review your answers before submitting your test. Sometimes, additional context from other questions can provide insights into earlier ones. And there you have it. Strategies to help you tackle true or false questions more effectively. Remember, the key is to read carefully, break down the statement, and use your existing knowledge to make the best choice. We hope you find these tips helpful for your next test. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.